Okay, welcome back to my channel. I got this idea a second ago, so you get to watch me do this. This is my new laptop, and I want to cover it with this contact paper. I actually bought this for my utility bathroom, and it was too gray for all my decor because they're kind of like tans and browns, and it just did not look good in there. So I got my hair stick. Hair out of the way. So I've got my little razors and my craft scissors. That should be all I need. So how I'm going to do this is I've cut it to be over the size, and I've never done this before, so let's hope it goes well. I'm going to peel it and start sticking it to it and then do my cutting on the edges. So now I'm going to position it into place, and I want to position right there, I think. Now I make sure it's going to, nope. All right, there we go. So we start pulling, and as you pull, press it down. It's not going to set perfectly straight because this is not a perfectly flat surface, so you're going to have to adjust on the corners. But work your way from the inside out. This is going to be so cute. I may even have to do the inside thing. We'll flip this over. Huh. I actually have no idea how I'm doing this. Okay, I'm going to pull it off the edge of the, move the camera a bit. Pulling it off the edge of the table. And I'm literally going to use my razor and like cut the edge. I am just going to cut that right there. And that right there. I'm going to roll it over. Since this piece is solid, yeah, that's not going to stay very well. I'll have to trim that so it's shorter. All right, that's not going to work. Okay, fine. Fine, that's not going to work. Back to the drawing board, as they say. I was actually kind of disgusted when I thought, well, a sticker for a computer has to be like $5, right? Well, I couldn't find one for $5. They were kind of expensive. For a sticker, I could not, in my reasoning, decide to purchase one for myself. Plus, there were so many choices that it was hard to choose because everything was so ornate and fantasy art, and I am country hippie, so to speak, so I wanted something that said me, you know, and I wasn't finding what I was wanting. Now I'm going to trim it up with my scissors across this edge, give a nice perfect little cut. I don't want any overhangs, you know. But the good thing about using the contact paper is that I can take it off and put something else on in a week if I'm tired of it. And contact paper is so affordable. Oh, isn't that cute? Okay. All right, and then over here, it has the logo for the computer, and I actually want to keep the logo, so I'm going to score this like so, and that is cute. I like that. Very rustic. I may do like right here. That would be cute too. So I may do that too. I haven't decided yet. I have any left over from that? I do. That would be cute. I would like that. It's a very nice computer cover for pennies on the dollar because I already had this on hand. But one of those rolls could do 2 or 3 dozen computers. So I'll probably do, since I'm a substitute teacher, I will probably do some of my school supplies like my notebook and stuff. So when I go to the school with my laptop, I have everything matching. Okay, so put some light on this. This is contact paper. This is contact paper. I've done this. I did this not on camera. Now I've decided that I want to take, dropping it everywhere, this contact paper and put my name on it using these stencils from Walmart. Okay, so the first thing I've done is cut out a section so I can work with a smaller piece. It'd be much easier. Next thing I'm going to do is make my word. I want capital and then lowercase because it's going to be my name. And I'm going to be doing it in reverse. Okay, so here it is. Now, where they did not meet because it was a stencil I was using as a template, I'm going to combine so they do meet as a full line. I've overlapped them slightly so that as I cut them out, it will create a single word, all one piece, where I can stick it onto my laptop very, very easily. And I'm going to stick it on there and it will be adorable, hopefully. But there it is. So I'm going to cut it out and we'll see what it looks like cut out. There it is, finished cutting out. It would be so much easier if I owned a Cricut, but that's how you do it with stencils. Okay, there it is, finished. Like and subscribe. Have a great day.